Good morning students and welcome back on Shore. Today we will see the magnetic field which exists around a magnet. Okay. So we have studied magnet in class 12th and 10th as well. But we have realized the magnetic strength with magnetic field lines. Basically magnetic field lines are the imaginary curve which we draw around any magnet to give the direction of magnetic field at any point around a magnet. Okay. Basically the strength of any magnetic field is denoted by the density of magnetic field lines. So we will see today that whether magnetic field lines really exist or how these are imagined or how these appear. So to perform this activity, basically I have two types of magnets. Okay. Here I have a bar magnet. Okay, this is bar magnet, and on this bar magnet this white dot, okay, this white small dot denotes that this is north pole and the other end is south pole. This is a bar magnet, and this is a special type of magnet that you always play with when you get a speaker, old speaker. Okay, this special magnet is called toroid. Okay, it basically does not have any poles. Okay, this is a magnet which is said to be endless magnet, and this does not have any pole. Okay, but this have poles. This is north pole, white dot, and this is south pole. Okay, so to realize that what is the magnetic field around this magnet, okay, I will perform an activity. I will just spread some iron filling around this magnet, and I will show you that how it look like when iron filling is just spread around this magnet. So let's do this activity and just observe carefully. Okay. To show you clearly, I have this mirror. Okay, and this I have iron filling. Okay. So just focus on this. Okay, now you can see it is a better view. Okay, I have put this magnet like this. Okay, and now what I am doing is I am just spreading. I am spreading. This is iron filling. Spreading iron filling around this. Okay, then what happens? Just look at this. Okay. Like this, when I am just dropping this iron filling, okay, then there is a special pattern being arranged around this magnet. Okay, this is clearly visible to you. Okay, now you can see a special pattern is being shown here. Okay, now you can see this clearly. Okay, just look at this. More iron filling I am dropping to just realize more this. Okay, the pattern, to realize this pattern more, I am dropping more iron filling. Iron filling means small pieces of iron. Okay, now the pattern is clear to you. Okay, now you can see exactly what kind of pattern is appeared around this. Okay, like this. Okay, so what are the conclusion after this activity? You may look at this, that these basically these iron fillings are just making a pattern like this, okay? And you can see there is large amount of iron filling collected over this end and this end, and in between and in the mid of this magnet there is only a width of iron filling, but maximum iron filling is just collected over here and over here, and iron filling is making this type of pattern, okay? These patterns around this magnet are called magnetic field lines, okay? So moreover, I may just draw this and I can just make you clear more, okay? So basically what we observed is we put our magnet, bar magnet like this. It was north pole and it was south pole. Then the pattern that we observed was like this, okay? And like this. These were the patterns that we observed, okay? Like this. These lines have a property. The direction of these lines is from north to south, okay? From north to south. How we decide this? If instead of taking iron filling, I am using magnetic needle, then magnetic needle will always remain. If I put a small magnetic needle like this, then south pole will be here and north pole will be here, because opposite poles attract and similar pole repel. If I put magnetic needle like this, then it will stay like this, okay? So just if I want to draw this curve, these curves are called magnetic field lines, okay? These are called magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines, okay? Then in terms of these magnetic field lines, magnetic field of any magnet is realized. मतलब कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो होता है किसी मैग्नेट का, वो इन इमेजिनरी कर्व्स की फॉर्म में. दीज कर्व्स आर इमेजिनरी. एक्चुअली अराउंड एनी मैग्नेट these will not be appear, but while here in this activity these are appear when I just put iron filling, then only this appeared, okay? Otherwise these field lines will not be here. So these imaginary curves which denote the magnetic field of any magnet are called magnetic field lines, okay? In terms of these magnetic field lines, the magnetic field is realized. Moreover, you may also see that this is south pole and this is north pole. North pole was denoted by white dot, of course, like this, okay? I may put like this, okay? White dot, okay? Now what? Moreover, you can see that here magnetic field lines are more in numbers in comparison to these mid sides, okay? So where these magnetic field lines are more, at that point magnetic field strength will be more. So here at the poles, magnetic field strength of any bar magnet will be maximum, while the magnetic field strength in the mid of this bar magnet will be least, okay? Or you may see it will be minimum at the mid of this, at the geometric mid of this bar magnet. So this is being realized by this activity. Moreover, another or more conclusion can also be drawn from this similar activity, okay? So let's draw some more conclusions, okay? What more conclusions can you draw from this activity are, okay, like this. I just showed you this pattern. If I am just putting this magnet in my hand, okay, then now you may see that spike structures are being created around this magnet. Spike structures, okay, मतलब कांटेदार स्ट्रक्चर बन रहे हैं इसके मैग्नेट के कॉर्नर्स पे, ओके? और मिड में बहुत कम फिलिंग इसमें जुड़ी हुई है, या कॉर्नर्स पे जो है मिड में बहुत कम आयरन फिलिंग है और इसके साइड में बहुत ज्यादा आयरन फिलिंग है. तो आप देख सकते हो कि इसके कॉर्नर्स पे ये जो आयरन फिलिंग्स है ये स्पाइकी स्ट्रक्चर बना रहे हैं। तो इससे क्या कंक्लूजन निकलता है, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन। ओके, सो दिस एक्सप्लेन समथिंग important. Okay, what this explain is basically these spiky structures are due to these all iron filings. These all iron filings are converted into small magnet due to induction, property of induction of magnetic field. अगर किसी मैग्नेट के पास कोई आप आयरन पीस लाते हो तो वो आयरन पीस छोटा हो या बड़ा हो वो खुद में एक मैग्नेट बन जाता है, और वो मैग्नेट बनके वो हमेशा जो पास वाला पोल होगा उससे अपोजिट वाला पोल बनता है। इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर ये नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल के पास में कोई मैं आयरन का छोटा सा पीस लेकर आऊं तो इसके पास वाली साइड साउथ पोल बन जाएगी और ये नॉर्थ पोल बन जाएगा। यानी कि ये छोटे छोटे आयरन के जो पीसेस थे ये खुद में एक मैग्नेट बन गए, और वो मैग्नेट कौन सी बन गए, अपोजिट पोल वाली। नॉर्थ पोल के पास में साउथ पोल आएगा और दूर वाला नॉर्थ पोल आएगा। तो जब ये वाली मैग्नेट अपोजिट पोल जो होते हैं नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल ये क्या करते हैं, आपस में अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, और सिमिलर पोल नॉर्थ पोल या साउथ पोल आपस में रिपेल करते हैं। तो अट्रैक्शन की वजह से बेसिकली ये वाला जो पार्ट है ये इससे स्टिक हो जाता है, और स्टिक होने पे ये स्पाइकी स्ट्रक्चर्स दे रहे हैं। हर एक मैग्नेट अपने आप में ये छोटा सा पार्टिकल जो आयरन की फिलिंग है ये अपने आप में छोटी छोटी मैग्नेट बनकर स्पाइकी स्ट्रक्चर्स दे रहे हैं। तो बेसिकली क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे ये छोटी छोटी आयरन फिलिंग्स इस तरीके से ज्वाइन हो जा रही है, और ये अगर ये वाला साउथ पोल है तो इन छोटी छोटी इसमें नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल इस तरीके से क्रिएट हो रहा है, और ये स्पाइकी स्ट्रक्चर्स दे रहे हैं। तो इसका मतलब ये है, दिस ऑल्सो शोज द इंडक्शन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। यानी कि किसी मैग्नेट के पास में अगर आप छोटे छोटे मैग्नेट्स लाओगे या छोटे छोटे आयरन के पीसेस लाओगे तो वो आयरन पीसेस मैग्नेट बन जाते हैं। और कैसे मैग्नेट बनते हैं, जो पास वाला पोल है वो अपोजिट पोल इंड्यूस होता है। दिस इज कॉल्ड इंडक्शन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। नाउ यू हैव रियलाइज्ड ऑल दिस। मोर ओवर आई वुड लाइक टू explain some important property of this toroid or this magnet. Okay, you have seen this magnet commonly at your houses also. कोई स्पीकर जो होता है उस स्पीकर में से ये टोरॉइड मैग्नेट निकलता है, मगर इसका कोई भी पोल नहीं होता। पोल क्यों नहीं होता, क्योंकि ये इस शेप का रहता है लाइक दिस, और इसमें क्योंकि कोई एंड नहीं है। इस तरीके से जैसे ये बार मैग्नेट है, बार मैग्नेट में एंड्स हैं, इस वजह से इसमें कोई एंड नहीं है। मतलब इसमें कोई एंड ना होने की वजह से इसमें साउथ पोल और नॉर्थ पोल नहीं होते, मगर इसमें मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस होती हैं, और इसमें स्पेशल टाइप का मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होता है। तो इसकी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस ऐसे करके होती हैं, लाइक दिस। ओके, लाइक दिस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस इसकी होती हैं, लाइक दिस। ओके, सो आई विल शो यू दैट what kind of magnetic field lines this toroid structure follows or shows. Okay, so इसका रियलाइजेशन आसान नहीं है, इसको मैं करने की कोशिश करता हूं, करने को आपको दिखाने के शो करने की कोशिश करता हूं। अगर ये हो जाता है तो it will be best. Okay, now I am just collecting this iron filling and I would like to show you that what kind of is really such kind of magnetic field just this magnet produce or not. Okay, so to do this just let's focus camera on this again. Okay, like this I am holding this mirror. Okay, and I will have to hold the magnet like this. Okay, like this at sidewise of this mirror. I would like to I will have to hold this magnet like this. Okay, now putting the iron filling around this, then you may observe the pattern being created here. Okay, okay, can you see this, the patterns being created? Okay, yes, you can see this, what kind of patterns are being made. Okay, like this. So here, just near to this, patterns like these are being created. Okay, so this shows that magnetic field lines are like this, as I told you. Okay, when it will be put in such direction, then you may see that iron fillings are being attracted inward to this. Okay, inward to this. If I just change the direction or invert the pole, then this will, देखिए कैसे ये किस तरीके से ये अट्रैक्ट हो रही हैं, ये जो आयरन फिलिंग्स हैं किस तरीके से अट्रैक्ट हो रही है, ये आप देख सकते हो. ओके, तो ये पैटर्न्स बनते हैं. ओके, तो इसमें मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस इस तरीके से होंगी टोरॉइड में. ओके, एक एंड पे ऐसे, और अगर मैं दूसरा एंड लेता हूं तो दूसरे एंड पे भी इस तरीके से होंगी. तो देखिए ये जो है इस तरीके से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस शो करती हैं. ओके, यानी कि इसमें अंदर की तरफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन एक तरफ से आएंगी और दूसरी तरफ से एंटर होंगी. ओके, दिस इज हाउ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑफ ए टोरॉइड कैन बी रियलाइज्ड. ओके, so toroid is something like of this shape. Toroid is something like of this shape, and magnetic field lines are like this. Okay, like this. Basically this toroid coil is used, this toroid magnet is used टू कन्फाइन प्लाज्मा. अगर आप एक नया रिएक्टर बन रहा है जिसे हम फ्यूजन रिएक्टर बोलते हैं, तो फ्यूजन रिएक्टर के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या है कि जो एक स्टेट होती है मैटर की विच इज कॉल्ड प्लाज्मा स्टेट, उस प्लाज्मा स्टेट को क्या करा जाए, प्लाज्मा को कंटेन रखा जाए, और वो प्लाज्मा उस कंटेनर की वॉल को टच नहीं करना चाहिए. तो वो ऐसा, अगर हमें ऐसा कोई स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट करना है जिससे कि वो प्लाज्मा को कन्फाइन किया जाए, तो उसके लिए ये टोरॉइड कॉइल का यूज होता है बेसिकली. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस एक्टिविटी. ओके, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू जस्ट डेमोस्ट्रेट यू बिकॉज आई लर्न a year back this all activity and I just illustrated this activity to you. Okay, you must realize physics in such a way that it is fun for you and entertaining as well. Okay, you must not only make up the physics, but you must attach some activity along with it that you can learn in such a way that is just making this easy to you. Okay, I will do my best to make physics concept more easy and more comfortable to you. Okay, thanks a lot. There is one more activity to prove the magnetic field of toroid coil. Okay, so to prove the magnetic field of this magnet, okay, I am performing another activity similar to that I earlier did. Okay, so now I am taking the mirror like this. Okay, I am stabilizing the mirror like this. Okay, and on this I am doing I am performing this. I have just put my magnet like this. Okay, and on spreading the iron fling around it, I will get interesting result. Okay, which will help you to realize its magnetic field, how the magnetic field of a toroid coil actually appears. Okay, so I am putting this iron fillings just around it. Okay, okay. This is, you may see that what kind of patterns are being made around it. Okay, Okay. Like this. This proves the fact that I told you, the direction of magnetic field around this. Okay, you can see the pattern of the magnetic field around this toroid. Okay, is it visible to you? Okay, you can look this. Okay. So this is what kind of magnetic field appears around a toroid magnet. Okay, that I pointed you out, that I told you that magnetic field around a toroid coil will be, the magnetic field lines will enter and exit like this, and they will circle around the toroidal coil. It means if this is toroidal coil or toroidal magnet, their magnetic field lines will be like this. Okay, and you see the pattern of magnetic field lines. Okay, pattern of magnetic field lines. Just clear this fact. Okay, so this is all about the activity that I performed. Thanks a lot for watching. Okay, thank you.